Hello, welcome to InsectX, Information Security Technologies training on penetration testing with Metasploit. In the previous video, we have covered the basic introduction and in detail discussion about the exploit and the exploit types and the exploit ranking. In this video, we will be focusing on the payloads. We know that the payload is the actual code which executes after successful execution of the exploit code. Metasploit payload basically have the two components. First one is the communication capability and second one is the functionality. Communication capability. Communication capability basically enables a communication channel for the attacker. And second thing is functionality. Functionality defines what are all the actions that an attacker can perform after payload execution. So coming to the payload types defined by the Metasploit framework. Metasploit framework contains three different types of payloads. They are singles, stagers and stages. Coming to the singles. Single payloads are often called as standalone payload. Single payloads can perform few kind of tasks. Best example is creating the remote user. So there is a payload called Windows Add User, which basically adds the remote user over the target machine. And coming to the second one is stager. Stager payload establishes a network establishment between the attacker and the victim machine. And coming to the last one, stage. Payload components that are downloaded by the stager modules called as the stages payload. Self-contained payloads contains stager and stage already bundled together. These payloads include all the functionality to load itself into the memory, set up a communication channel for the attacker, and lastly provide the environment and the command capability to interact with the compromised system. And we need to make sure that when a vulnerability is exploited successfully, the stager component goes first as a payload. The stager is responsible for uploading the stage next and set up the communication channel for the stage so that the attacker can interact with it. We will be discussing these things in the upcoming videos where we will take an example for exploiting the vulnerability, and we will be focusing on all these three different types of payload, how the exploitation is going to work and how these things are going to get executed. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. And in the next video, we will be focusing on in-depth implementation of the different types of exploit and with the different combination of the payloads. Thanks for watching.